everyone, this is Young Korean. A few weeks ago, Korea had the regional election, and after that, it became a major issue all around the world. Koreans are gathering at the Olympic Park like thousands or millions of people are gathering at the Olympic Park, and they are chanting and holding the same sign, which is handwritten like 재선거. You must have seen this sign on the news before. So let's find out what this 재선거 means in Korean. So now people are gathering at the Olympic Park and chanting the same thing, 재선거. So guys, let's take a look. 재 means again or re. So when you say 재선거, it means re, 선거. And 선거 means election. So which means Koreans want to do election again. That's 재선거. The second one is 재활용. 재활용, which means recycle. 재활용. And the third one is 재개발, which means redevelopment. 재개발. So why do Koreans want 재선거, re-election? There are so many reasons for that, but the only thing that I can say clearly is that so many people were waiting for their turns to vote, but we were running out of the ballot papers. Can you believe that? That's the problem, and that's the reason why people are holding 재선거 sign. Alright, so here's the second lesson. So people are saying about 부정선거 too. So what is 부정선거? Alright, so this is our second lesson today. People were holding the 재선거, which means re-election. And also people are saying this is 부정선거. So guys, 부정, which is Chinese word. So, which means it is not right, and which is injustice, and which is unfairness. So, people are saying 부정, 선거. We just learned 선거. What was it? Yes, right, it's election. So people are saying this is the election fraud. That's 부정선거. Can you repeat after me? 부정선거. Great. Alright, so 부정 we use like this too. 부정, 부패. Great. 부정, 부패 means corruption. So these days, like people are saying about 재선거 and 부정선거. So now, if you turn the TV again, you can find out like people are saying about 재선거 and 부정선거. So guys, that's it for today. If there's any updates on this, I'll let you know. Thank you. Bye bye.